Hello friends. Design thinking is a process through which you can creatively solve any problem. In this quick video, we would provide an overview on what is design thinking, what are its 5 stages, and what happens in each stage. Let's start. The 5 steps in the design thinking process are empathize, define, ideate, prototype, and test. In this video, we would cover these 5 steps linearly. However, these can occur iteratively in a nonlinear fashion in the design thinking process. This step states that to solve any problem you need to first empathize with those who are facing the problem. Try to put yourself in their shoes to get a better understanding of the problem. After getting better understanding of the problem, you need to collate the information that you collected through empathy. This would help you to define the problem correctly. Now that the problem is defined, you need to brainstorm to generate ideas that can solve the problem defined in the define stage. Make a note of all the ideas. Next, try to choose a viable idea and create a prototype. Prototype is a scaled-down version of the solution that you plan to implement to solve the problem. Before implementing a solution, you need to test the prototype to understand whether it would work or not. Share the prototype with the target audience and take their input on it. Observe them with the prototype and think if this can be a solution for their problems. If the prototype is successful, you can replicate it on large scale to create a final solution for the problem. Else you need to move back to the previous stages of the design thinking process. This brings us to the end of the video. You now know what is design thinking, what are its 5 stages, and what happens in each stage. We would come up with more interesting and informative videos soon. Till then, keep learning and growing.